So, welcome back. 10th class English. Now, question answer time. Look at your book. Question number 25. What was Timothy's favorite place in the house?
Drawing room.
Right. Timothy's favorite place in the house, drawing room is Timothy's favorite place in the house, or the favorite place in the Timothy's favorite place in the house was the drawing room. You can write in any way. Question number 26. Where would Timothy make himself comfortable?
On the long sofa.
Right. Timothy made himself comfortable on the long sofa. What was Timothy's clean habit?
Scrubbing his face with his paws like a cat.
Right. Scrubbing or wiping his face with his paws like a cat is the clean habit. Was Timothy's clean habit. Okay. Next. Where did Timothy sleep at night?
In the cook's quarter.
At night Timothy slept in the cook's quarter. How old was Timothy when a change came over him?
6 months.
Yeah, when a change came over Timothy, he was just 6 months old. From where did the writer's family hear frenzied cackling?
The poultry house.
The poultry house, right. The writer's family heard frenzied crackling or cackling from the poultry house. That is crackling, CRA or CA. Spelling is cackling, CRA or CA. Cackling sound. Spelling. Okay, cackling sound. CRA. Okay. But it is given CA in the text. Okay, we will go for that next session. Question number 31. Okay. What did the writer's family see lying all over the veranda in the morning?
Feathers of the birds.
Right. The writer's family saw feathers of birds lying all over the veranda in the morning. Where was the nearest zoo?
At Lucknow.
At Lucknow. The nearest zoo was at Lucknow. How far was the zoo from Dehra?
200 miles.
Yes. The zoo was 200 miles from Dehra. How did grandfather take Timothy to Lucknow?
By reserving a first class compartment.
Right. By reserving a first class compartment, grandfather took Timothy to Lucknow, who were glad to receive Timothy as a gift. The Jew authorities were glad to receive Timothy as a gift. Okay. Next, we shall have other paragraph, you know. We will have other paragraphs. Okay. About 6 months later, could understand? It was grandfather decided and took Timothy to the Jew and gave it to the Jew authority as a gift. After about 6 months later, when my grandfather, the writer's grandfather, were visiting a relative in Lucknow, after 6 months, it happened and grandfather and writer's grandparents went to Lucknow to see their relatives. Grandfather took the opportunity. Grandfather thought it was a good chance for me to go to the Jew and have a look at Timothy. So, he took the opportunity and took the chance of calling at the Jew to see how Timothy was getting on. He thought to go to the Jew and to see Timothy, to know how Timothy was getting on. I was not there, the writer was not with them. The writer did not give company to his grandparents. But I heard all about it when he returned to Dera. When his grandparents returned, grandfather told all about the happening at a Jew. Arriving at a Jew, grandfather made a straight to the particular case. Grandfather reached the Jew. Who reached? Grandfather. Where? At a Jew. And went straight to a particular case. He knew. Because he knew that Timothy was there in that particular case, so he went straight without asking any other person. In Lucknow, in which Timothy had been locked up. He went to the particular case in which Timothy had been locked up. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner. In the case, there was the tiger and it was crouched like a dog, sitting like a dog or sleeping like a dog, crouching. Okay, but a full grown, the tiger was full grown and with a magnificent striped coat, and the entire body was striped with a black stripes, spurs, right? Stripes. Gift means, you know, what do you mean by gift?
What?
Today? Gift. Gift. Wait. Gift means what? Yeah. Letter. Relative. Opportunity. Accompany. Head. Sunili, Sunila. Arriving. Straight. Particular. Case. Crouched. Corner. Full grown. Or Venda. Magnificent. Bhavya. Striped. Potta potta. Hello, Timothy, said grandfather. Who said?
Grandfather.
What did grandfather say? Hello, Timothy. And climbing the mailing with his, he put his arm through the bars of the cage. Climbed up the mailing, grandfather put his arm inside the cage. The tiger approached, came near. Approached means came near. The tiger came near or approached the bar and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Allowed. The tiger allowed grandfather to put his both hands on body. Who allowed? The tiger inside the cage. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead, tapped and licked his ear and ticked his ear. Ear. Who? Grandfather. Ear. And whenever he growled, roared. Who growled?
Tiger.
Tiger growled, roared, smacked him across the mouth, slapped softly. Grandfather softly slapped on his mouth, which was the old way of keeping him quiet. That means slapped means grandfather asked him, be quiet, quiet, calm down, don't angry, don't roar. Who said it?
Grandfather.
Grandfather said it. Right? Approached means what? Right. Stroked, forehead, ticked, growled, smacked. Right. Next, he licked grandfather's hands. Who licked?
Grandfather.
No. Tiger licked grandfather's hands and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage. There was a leopard in the next cage. Snarled at him when the leopard in the next cage roared. Could you understand? The tiger cub sprang away, jumped away out of fear. Grandfather shooed like this. As we drive away cows and the dogs like this. So shooed the leopard away and the tiger returned to lick his hands. When the leopard went away, tiger came and started licking. When a leopard came and started roared, the tiger cub, what did the tiger cub do? The tiger cub came to grandfather and licked his hands. But every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars. When the tiger cub came to grandfather, leopard made or leopard roared. Could you understand? Would rush at the bars and the tiger would sneak back to his corner and return to his corner. This was going on. A number of persons had gathered to watch the union. This was the union, reunion. When a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. This was going on. Could you understand? All the people were there looking their reunion, their fun. And meanwhile a keeper pushed his way into the crowd and came to grandfather and asked, hey old man, what are you doing here? What are you doing? Who asked? The keeper asked, what are you doing? Okay, next. Licked means snarled, गर्जन करिया, सुड सुसु करी घौड़ाई देवा, स्नीक लुचि पड़ाइबा, रियूनियन थ्रू crowd. So this is all about some paragraphs of the story A Tiger in the House. We will have more discussion. Till then, bye. Thank you.